To transfer your domain to Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify account and navigating to the online store settings. Click on Domains and then add a domain to begin the transfer process. If you have not yet purchased a domain, you can do so through Shopify or a third-party registrar. When adding a domain, enter the domain name you wish to transfer and click Next. Shopify will then prompt you to verify the domain through a TXT record or by uploading an HTML file to your domain. This step is necessary to confirm your ownership of the domain. After verifying your domain, you will need to set up DNS records to point your domain to Shopify. This involves updating the A records and CNAME records through your domain registrar. The A records should point to Shopify's IP address and the CNAME records should point to shops.myshopify.com. Once you have updated your DNS records, it may take some time for the changes to take effect. This is known as propagation and can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours. During this time, your website may be unavailable or display an error message. After the DNS changes have propagated, your domain will be successfully transferred to Shopify and you will be able to use it with your online store. It is essential to test your domain to ensure it is working correctly and make any necessary adjustments to your DNS settings. Transferring your domain to Shopify can seem like a complex process, but by following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer. Always make sure to follow best practices and take your time when making changes to your DNS settings to avoid any potential issues.